We've been working in all the different age groups from year 2 down to reception, and they've all had a lovely time working with some Chinese parasols, which are beautifully decorated. We've got some fans, which are beautifully decorated as well, and then to top it all off, the icing on the cake is the Chinese dragon.
So all the children in early years in Key Stage 1 will be preparing to learn about Lunar New Year on February the 10th. As part of that, they will be involved in lots of different workshops where they will learn about the culture and experiences of China.
It's a very visual workshop. It's lovely. The steps are all accommodated to the children depending on their age. So we go a little bit slower for the younger ones, a bit quicker for the older ones, make the choreography a little bit more diverse. And work really, really hard in the sessions.
This will bring the learning to life for them. They will have lots of opportunities to learn about listening skills, following instructions, and an opportunity to be creative and learn to dance and express themselves.
It's a very visual workshop, so it's very colourful. It's brilliant for bringing out talents in children that may not achieve in the classroom. It's a lovely work to bring on self-esteem, and the kids really do get a lot out of it.
And just from this morning alone, they've gone back and they've started to produce pictures and writing about what they've experienced this morning.
And then to finish off the day, some of the parents then came to watch the workshop for the year 1 children. Both classes performed really, really excellently, and I'm really proud of what they've achieved in such a short period of time today. And I hope the parents have enjoyed watching what the children have achieved as well.
So from today, the children will hopefully build their self-esteem and their confidence and their ability to perform to other people, working together as a team with the dragon dance, watching for each other, making sure that they're safe in the process. We are a multicultural school and we celebrate many faiths and religions here, and so it's very important that the children learn about not only the faiths and cultures that we have in our school, but that represents our wider community.